Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to private account on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then scroll down, click on top left profile and tap on three dot option. Just click and scroll down, tap on log profile. Just click and click on log your profile. Okay, just wait few seconds and you locate your profile. Then log your profile and this account is private. That's all. And click this option and tap on unlock. Just click and unlock your profile, then unprivate your account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.